Hello, my name's James Whitworth and you're watching TechBaffle. Today we're going to look at the G300 MagSafe-compatible Bluetooth speaker.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.
This is a magnetic suction ultra portable LED speaker. It's only a little geezer but it has 5 watts, so that's pretty decent to be fair. Up to 4 hours playtime, wireless version 5.4. And what's even better, it's actually a speaker and a phone stand all in one. You can buy this on Amazon. Check the TechBaffle link down below. Let's go ahead and look inside the box. Okay, so inside the box we have this magnetic ring. So if your phone does not have MagSafe, you've got this attachment. It's nice that they actually include that in the box. We have a Type-C to Type-A charging cable. Don't forget the instructions, James, come on. The G300 mini magnetic Bluetooth speaker. We'll put that to one side in case we need that. And the speaker itself. Oh, look at that. Oh wow, that's actually really small. Look how small this speaker is, it's absolutely tiny. I'm not expecting this to be loud or bass heavy, but we'll have to find that in a moment. So let's go ahead and switch it on. Hold down the button. We've got a nice little welcome tone. I don't know about you, but I actually quite like the fact this doesn't talk to me. Look at that. That is such a cool lighting effect. This is not just any kind of Bluetooth speaker. No, look at this. It's now part of your phone. It's so easy. Look, it just goes straight onto your phone. No questions asked. It is actually really nice and secure. Like if I shake this around, it is not coming off. Like I am properly trying my best to get this speaker to come off my phone, but it won't fall off. It's so easy to apply, so easy to remove. But once it's on there, it just sticks. So the speaker driver is actually exposed, but we do have this little protective piece here, so you shouldn't be able to damage it. Yeah, pretty simple. We've got one button and that's your lot. So we've got this magnetic ring on the rear, which also has a rubberized surface. So I don't know if you can see that in the camera. This ain't budging. So without further ado, let's go ahead and whack some music on. Binaural microphones recording this right now. From this tiny little speaker, that is a lot of sound. Jazzy. That is incredible from such a small little speaker. And do you know what, there's actually a bit of bass in it as well. No, don't get me wrong, it's not the most bass heavy speaker I've ever heard. I'll give you a proper sound test in due course, because this is using binaural microphones. They're actually like little ears on a stick. It's kind of creepy really, but they work really well. They basically represent a human head. The magnetic suction on this is absolutely incredible. Let's go ahead. I just thought about something even better. If I go into YouTube and if I go into a really cool YouTuber, I don't know if you've heard of him before.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.
Hello, my name's James Whitworth and you're watching TechBaffle. Let's turn him down, he's a bit of an idiot. Just like that, we've actually turned this speaker into a phone stand. And it's actually the perfect angle for watching YouTube. Okay, first things first, we have a pizza. Really? It works better in landscape than portrait. If you put it in portrait, it's a little bit seesawish. I was worried the lighting was going to look really tacky and really flashy, but this has got some really nice mood lighting from those 2 LED lights. I mean, this will look even better once I've turned the lights off. I'll show you that in the dark in a moment. But what a cool little effect. And this is such a tiny little speaker that you can whack this on your phone, take it with you. But yeah, literally. Okay, don't do that. It has its limits. I just wanted to try that out, don't judge me. But honestly, what a cool little speaker. So enough of me talking rubbish, put your headphones on and check out the sound test.
Just say that, ain't no need to hate. You should know that I don't play that. No, we can't debate. I'm like, if you lame, just say that. Nah, I can't relate, but you should know that we don't play that. So now I can't debate. I'm like, you keep pretending.
Great little sound from such a little speaker. It's not hi-fi quality, it's not going to be bass heavy, but it's such a cool little gadget. It's so portable. It doubles up as both a speaker and a stand. Tap this on your phone and you're all good to go. You can take this on your travels, you can take this on holiday. For the money, you get such a good little product. Overall, I'd give the G300 speaker a TechBaffle rating of 4 out of 5. This comes in so many different colours as well. You can buy this on Amazon. Check it out down below. So if you enjoyed this video, smash that like button. If you want any more of this sort of thing, don't forget to subscribe and ding so you don't miss a thing. I'm on Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok and Threads. Follow me at TechBaffle. For all the latest, head over to techbaffle.com. Thanks for watching and have a baffling day.
TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff. TechBaffle. Discover cool stuff.